Okay, so this is the beginning of Tie Rod Canyon Trail. Right now we're gonna air down. We're gonna have these JT Brooks tire deflators. Okay. Let's see how fast these things air down. I put on 18 pounds yata, like 18 pounds.
Okay.
So you basically there's a gauge in here. So you just put it in.
So does it automatically stop pag nakuha na niyo yung pressure?
Yeah.
Ooh.
How come it's not going? Yo. So what I like about this is, as you put that in, you go to the next one and put it in.
So you have 4 pieces of that?
Yeah, it comes with 4. Okay, so they're all deflating at the same time. That's deflating, that's deflating. Turned on my timer right before I started deflating. There goes Kansas DJI Mini 2 right here. Alright, it is down yet. Not done yet. Okay, this one's finally done. Okay, take it out. Okay, I think they're all done. It took about 7.5 minutes. Look at the front right here. This is heavier in the front, huh?
Yeah.
But that looks normal?
Yeah, that's why I usually
Less pressure or more pressure?
more pressure.
Oh, so well they're all 18. Okay, so let's put on our caps because we're finished. Okay, it says 17 and then one is 18. Okay, it's pretty accurate, right? All right, let's go. Put on some kind of a mode. Let's put on what mode should we put it in? Baja. Put on Baja mode. What happens on Baja mode? Nothing. Okay, so this screen turns on. Nothing's on. So it's just Baja mode, 4-wheel drive. All right. Oh, the traction control's off, I think. It says right here.
Is that it drive?
Yeah,
Is it drive already?
it's on drive.
Although it seems like it's like high gear.
It takes a while for it to shift or something. What's up here? Burrito, dude.
That's the
Okay,
wrong way.
so we turned left here, I think. Is it up here? Okay, hold on. I think it is up here.
Where's your map?
Yeah, hold on. Let's put on our map. It's not a big. I can't even use my Onyx over here. Using the camera. It got way smoother with it being aired down, dude.
I thought you were supposed to be on the right side.
Is that how it is?
I don't know. Look at your map.
Okay, hold on. Normal mode. Oops. Okay, put on normal mode. I think that's how it is, dude.
You're on the left side, yeah. How
Yeah.
do you get to the right side?
See, look, see? Look,
Okay.
it's all right there. That's how it
So it's
is.
gonna go underneath later. Okay, just follow. That's good.
Okay, so we're just on regular normal mode right now. Okay, Roy, ikaw ang cameraman.
Yeah. Bottoms out, you can bend your suspension.
You gotta wing on your belly, dude.
Yeah. Oh no! So my way was better. So basically, it got dug here. Now you can't go over.
What?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, right here?
Oh, dito.
Yeah, you should be able to do it. Against the wall. Like, go right next to the wall. You should be able.
So maybe on low. Do it here?
Four-wheel drive. Four. You have a 4 auto?
Yeah, I do, but I'm gonna go four-wheel drive.
Just put 4 auto.
Four auto, try it out.
Yeah.
Just
See?
four auto.
4 auto is like.
Hold on, let's go see the gauges. That's like show the power distribution right here. Okay. All right, what is this part right here? So it is a descent part. It's a part where you go down. You can't really tell on the video, but it's kind of like a descent right here.
Habang kita dun sa baba, i-video kita.
Okay, okay. So we'll go down. So there's the train tracks. We can go over the train tracks, I think. So here's the train tracks. Okay. Oh, you're gonna use a drone right here when I go down? I think I'm gonna put on low. 4 low. Okay, I'm on 4 low. I got sway bar disconnect. I don't need that. I don't need to have the lockers on. So, but we are on 4 low. Okay. All right.
excuses.
Now start to turn. Watch out for your rear fender. You want to do that instead.
So going here should be where you have a nice view up there, right?
Yeah, oh, that's all the way on the top, yeah.
So what's better to go to, that one or this one?
Well, you want to go to tie rod, right? It's a different kind of environment. Like the tie rod is more of a trail with steps and stuff.
Right here.
Yeah. Then once you see the first step, we can start. Once we go around this left right here, Roy, you can
Left
stop
or right?
Yeah. You have to go look over this one here. There's bushes there. That light. This thing. More. That light. And then straight. Yeah, spot it first. Okay, just keep that line right now. Just keep on going straight. Touch the wall first. Keep on going. The right, your right tire should touch first. No, straight, straight. There. Okay, there you go. Go up, slow. Okay, slow. Okay, go slowly. Put a lot of torque in it. Okay, go. Put a lot of torque in it. Okay, go. Okay. Go straight. Okay. Hold on. Let me see the bottom. Going to the right. Right. Yeah. More. You should have it all locked. Oh, look, you're hanging. Look, look at it. Hold on. Okay. Go all the way to the right. Okay. Slow down. Wait. It's gonna touch. Okay. Go down slowly. Okay. Go down slowly. Go back up. Steer to the left. It's gonna touch this rock. That's what I'm saying. It's not gonna clear it. Okay. Go down slowly because you're gonna fall in this. You look this thing. It's a step. Go steer to the left. So you're gonna reposition yourself. Alright, cool, perfect. Go down more, down more. Yeah. Slow down. Go down more. Slow down. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Stop. Alright, steer a good amount to the right if you can. Don't try to force it. You don't want to break your steering, right? Actually, you're gonna be okay. Okay, steer to the right. I'll let you know. You're gonna be okay. Steer to the right. Go steer all the way. Stop. You're not clearing it. I'll take a picture. I'll take a picture so you can see. There you go. Perfect. Slow down. Okay, steer all the way to the right. Yeah, you got it. There you go. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay. Do not climb now. There you go. Perfect. There you go. There. I think you're good. Straight. Perfect. Yeah, you're good. Okay. Yeah, you're good. You're gonna be good. Okay, slow down. There you go. Okay, go climb it. Yep. Is my tire straight? Yeah, your tire's straight. Climb it. Perfect. There you go. You're good.
Astig, Filio. Congrats.
Take out your diff lock.
Take out your diff lock.
Yeah, I did all of this right here, man. Keep that line. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Keep that line. Just as long as you're not hitting anything there. Left. Wait. Left. Because you're gonna fall here. Go left. Left. More. There you go. That's good. That's good. Keep that line. Watch out for that rock on the left side. Watch out. You're supposed to go this way. That's a different like obstacle. I've never been there. Keep that line. Just keep that line. Keep that line. Steer this way. Keep that line. Just keep that line. No, like that. Wait. Dang it. Cut this thing right here. There you go. Steer to the left more. There you go. Straight. Alright, you know what? There's bushes right here. Hold on. Maybe you should just climb it instead. So this tire right here should go right here. Okay, cool. Keep that line. Just keep that line. No. There. Wow. Keep that line. Okay, straight. Watch out for that rock, okay? I'm gonna watch here.
Why don't I climb this thing right here on this rock?
No, this is easier. Watch out for that rock, okay?
Well, look, if I climb this rock right here, I'll just be diagonal, right?
Well, it's up to you. That's hard. I find it harder that way.
Keep that rock. Keep that rock.
Yes, yeah, like. So go straight and then turn. See, look. Look at it. Look at this. See, you're gonna hit your sidewall. I would have taken it wide, but it's up to you though. Driver. There you go. There. Okay. What? Okay, stop, stop. You just gonna climb that? All right. I guess you could do that. That looks crazier, man. But you can do it. Left. Okay. Passenger. Passing. More. Wait. Stop. Driver, and then back up a little. Yeah. Okay. Okay, go forward. Passenger. Passenger. Passenger all the way. There you go. Okay, keep that line. Just keep that line. Yeah, just keep on going straight. Okay. Passenger a little. There you go. Yeah, just keep that line. There you go. Cool. Yeah, just kiss it a little bit more, then we can turn back.
Which side should I take here?
You're just gonna go right here in the middle. Or some people, they go this way. I guess you can just go that way if you want to make it easy for yourself.
No. So if I go to the middle here, it'll be okay, right?
Yeah, I go straight right here in the middle. It looks crazy like what you did there. It looks like that, you know?
Am I taking a good line?
Okay, straight. There you go, straight. Okay, you're gonna touch a step. Okay, touch there. Now climb. There you go. There you go. Passenger a little. There you go. Just go straight. Perfect, perfect. There you go. Just a little bit more. Your left tire right here. Straight a little. There. Keep that line. Go forward. More. No. There you go. Perfect. Okay, go ahead.
You go up there or over here?
So this is the easier one, that's the harder one.
The easier one?
The easier one is on the left side, the right side.
There's like a drop there, right?
There's a drop there and there's a climb on the left side.
Is it too crazy?
That's what I took. But it looks crazy right here, but it's really easy. It's the turn on the last part that's kind of crazy. You should turn on your sway bar so you won't flip.
Turn on sway bar, so this is like a lot of
So
camber.
so you won't go too much. Because you're gonna climb, you're gonna go like this.
Should be doable, right?
It should be doable. But if it feels crazy, I mean you have a tilt monitor there. You should watch it. I don't know what's supposed to be the max on this car. All right, just go there. Go, climb it. There you go. This way. Okay, go. Touch the ledge. There you go. Now you're gonna climb it. Slow down. There you go. Cool. Right? Yeah. Passenger. Perfect. So you're gonna go try to like this thing right here, try to go here with your tire right here. Because you want to be close to this as much as possible. That's why you gotta stick out your head, you gotta skin these rocks. Okay, you see this red arrow right here, the uphill, right there. This is the part where I should disconnect my sway bar so it'll help my suspension flex better. So, but I didn't get to do that, so. I'll guide you. Okay. Yeah, slow down, okay? You don't want to fall. Okay, go. Keep that line, but go slowly, very slow. Start turning to the driver. Stop. Keep that line. Take a picture from where he's at. Pag-akit niya dito. Take a picture right there.
I should unlock it now, right?
Unlock it. Lock the sway bar. Okay, then you're gonna go here. So make sure you don't hit this wall right here, right? So
Find this?
this wall is right here. So
I thought it was going down there.
So you're gonna- no, dude, that thing is crazy, dude.
I thought it was going down there.
No, no, you don't want to go down. No, you don't want to go that way.
Alright.
But like people with 37, 40s, they probably can make. I can't do that. I'm gonna
Turn
get
this way
stuck.
now.
So yeah, you're gonna cut across this thing.
Mas hardcore pa si Kuya Leo. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead. Make a left turn. Okay.
I just don't know how you're gonna climb this, you know, with a stock bumper and stuff.
Alright, here we go.
Okay. All right. So steer to no, driver a little bit. There. Keep that line. Go.
Turn all the way now or what?
No, just keep that line. I'll tell you when to turn all the way. Once you clear that wall, you can turn all the way. Okay, yeah, turn all the way then. You don't have to. Yeah, just don't turn on your locker because you're trying to turn a lot. Oh, maybe you do need a locker. Just the rear for now. Rear. I just didn't want you to twist your CV axle. Slowly, okay? Slowly, because it's gonna tilt you. You might have to go down. You might have to go down like this. Whoa, it looks crazy.
Okay, so you noticed the rear driver side wheel came up, and if I disconnected my sway bar here, it would help on keeping that tire on the ground. It would have helped my driver side front wheel or suspension flex higher, but I didn't get to disconnect my sway bar, so oh well.
Okay, steer to the right and then steer passenger. Passenger. Steer passenger because you're gonna no. Because you're trying to go more straight. Ano ba dito? Oh yeah, you got a lot of things. So you're supposed to turn the other way. Turn passenger. There, reverse. There, reverse. Okay, steer all the way to the left. Okay, go ahead, climb it. Climb it. There you go. Perfect. Stop.
He made it look so easy. Look at him.
There you go, perfect. All right, we can go back now. Whoa, the rear tires are up in the air. Okay, slow down. Steer, just go forward. There you go, perfect.
Got a nice car right here, man.
Yeah, man, you too, man.
You got 37s?
Yeah, 37s, yeah.
Man, they look way bigger than mine, man.
They got a negative 12 offset.
Negative 12? I have like 0.
Yeah.
So yours is more sticking out, I guess,
Yeah,
huh?
it sticks out pretty far. But that's why
I like it though.
when it sticks out this far, you can run other places.
Ah.
That's the drawback.
So we got another
I don't
Bronco
run off the frame anymore. Now I run
right here, right when we're airing up.